Hey guys, welcome to Kuradangerz channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about tiny lingerie bikini G-string transparent panty haul from Shopee. So if you are interested, please keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe Kuradangerz channel. So this is our panty lingerie for today. I bought this from an online store, Shopee. Very popular online store in the Philippines, Shopee. It is feminine in color, which is pink. Very Barbie doll. The price is super affordable too. That is around 60 pesos. Yeah, super affordable and good quality. The material of this lingerie is mesh, very soft mesh, which makes the panty see-through. Super sexy design with a double G-string. This is the back design. It's very sexy thong panty. The cloth material in the back portion is just a cotton. Overall review of this panty lingerie is highly recommended. The materials is so soft and very comfy to wear, and the design is very nice. Thank you so much for watching Kuradangerz channel and our lingerie review for today. So thank you so much, and of course please don't forget to like and subscribe Kuradangerz channel, and hope to see you in our next video. Thank you so much, Dyers. Stay tuned for next tiny lingerie bikini G-string transparent panty haul from Shopee. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you all.